Write an inequality that describes all the solutions to 3 times the quantity 4 minus y is greater than or equal to negative 6y plus 3. So you solve this pretty much like you solved the one above, except you have an inequality symbol. So you're going to pretty much do everything the same, except if you have to multiply or divide by a negative, your inequality is going to get reversed. So let's start out by distributing. So you have 12 minus 3y is greater than or equal to negative 6y plus 3. On the left, nothing to combine. 12 doesn't have a y on it, so they're not like terms. Negative 6y plus 3, nothing to combine. So now we start getting our variables together. So this is where I think it's good when you have inequalities. I always like to bring them to the left because that's kind of how we read them. Doesn't matter, you can take it to the right and then we can reverse it later. So plus 6y, plus that keeps with my rule. I like to keep my coefficient positive. This time I went ahead and wrote it down so you can see it. So it's a negative 6y on the right. What happens when you come over to the left? You're going to become a plus 6y. Now the 12 needs to get over here with the 3. On the left, it is a plus 12. What happens when you go to the other side? You change your sign. So that's the same as when I used to always say subtract 12 from both sides. If you take it over to the other side, it's going to become the opposite. Bring down your 3y. And 3 minus 12 is negative 9. Last step. 3y is greater than or equal to negative 9. The negative is over here on the right. Are we moving the negative 9? Are we dividing or multiplying by it? No. We are dividing by the 3, and the 3 is positive. So our inequality will not reverse in this case. It's going to stay y is greater than or equal to, and our answer will be negative 3. Now, you could check this in InSolver and treat it as an equation, and it's going to give you what y is equal to. So you could check your math, but it's not going to tell you the inequality. It won't do that. It's going to check your math and you'll get the negative 3. So I'm not sure InSolver is really that big of a help on this problem. So let's see. Menu, we're in algebra class, InSolver. So 3 parenthesis 4 minus, using y this time, and we're going to put equals negative 6y plus 3. Hey, can you please solve this equation for y? Sure. Just got to tell me to. Negative 3. So I don't know what, actually, let's just try it out. What would happen if we threw the inequality in there? I've actually never tried that before. So 3, 4 minus y, and you can find your inequalities here. I want greater than or equal to negative 6y plus 3, close your parenthesis. Hey, I'm looking for y again. Oh, I did that outside of the parenthesis. So parenthesis, go delete, delete, get back in there. Hey, solve for y, please. Nope, it didn't work. It does not work with an inequality. The first argument of the InSolve must be an equation in a single variable. It cannot contain a non-valued variable other than the variable of the interest. So it has to be an equation to use InSolver.